To ensure smooth transactions on eBay and avoid future payment blocks, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you maintain a good standing with eBay and keep your selling experience hassle-free. Step 1. Maintain accurate account information. Ensure that your eBay account details, including your email address, phone number, and payment information, are up to date. This helps eBay verify your identity and reduces the chances of payment issues. Step 2. Monitor your seller performance. Regularly check your seller dashboard for performance metrics such as shipping times, return rates, and customer feedback. Strive to meet or exceed eBay's performance standards to avoid penalties. Step 3. Communicate with buyers. Promptly respond to buyer inquiries and address any issues they may have. Good communication can lead to positive feedback and reduce the likelihood of disputes that could trigger payment blocks. Step 4. Ship items promptly. Make sure to ship items within the handling time you specified in your listings. Timely shipping improves buyer satisfaction and helps maintain your seller rating, which is crucial for avoiding payment blocks. Step 5. Resolve issues quickly. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can help ensure a smoother selling experience on eBay and minimize the risk of future payment blocks. Happy selling!